Okay, so first I want to say hello and thanks for taking the time to watch the video. Stacy, I believe, is the one I spoke with. I'm not sure if you're here watching this or if it's a business owner or you are the owner. My name is Jeff. My company is Blanchard Solutions, and the point of the video was to show you how you could increase the value of your company or your exposure on Google. I want to explain a couple things that are necessary: content, backlinks, and citations. Now, understand every time you type something into here, into the Google search, these are considered keywords, and Google uses these keywords to find websites that best fit the search criteria, search engine optimization. Google crawls millions and millions of websites daily looking for content relevant to the keywords being typed in, and then categorizes these websites based on that. This is how you establish rank. You typically want 1,500 to 2,000 words of content on your site, depending on your competition and number of keywords. Now, I know we have Blanchard's Plumbing. I found you in Yelp, which is an advertisement. And I see that you do on-site services, no online estimates. So because you're a plumbing supply company and you also do plumbing, I figured I would just search for plumber Fuquay, just for an example, to show you here in the video how this would work. Of course, you have ads, Google ads that you could pay for to advertise to get exposure and generate leads and customers right away. You have the Google Maps section, the map pack, to rank in this particular area, which you're already here, Blanchard's Plumbing. Obviously, name, address, and phone number, which are citations, name, address, and phone number, and your Google business profile. That would cover your service area. So when people are searching plumber near me or a surrounding town, you would pop up in the map section. Sorry. Underneath the map is how this is where the rank structure becomes organic. Aside from advertising like Angie or Yelp, and then we have the Better Business Bureau, which are all pathways and extensions. Then you have another service area for pathway, an extension, a pathway, an extension. This is a pathway to an extension. Again, pathway, pathway extension. Here in spot number 9, we have the owner's website. Alboro Plumbing and Sewer Incorporated, Plumber Repair Fuquay. This is his site, not through an extension or a pathway. I wanted to show you how this works and a little behind the scenes. So this is his website here. Again, 1,500 to 2,000 words of content is what you need based on your competition. And then within this, I have a tool that I can use. It's called Ahrefs. I can put websites into here. I can see what's going on behind closed doors. So I wanted to explain the rank structure. Backlinks, as I said, is where one website links to another. It's like an endorsement of your website from another. It builds popularity, it builds trust. Google relies on this. This is a major key factor in ranking. Then you have the referring domains. He has 10 of them connected to him from these backlinks. And then, of course, your content and your keywords. So the 29 keywords that he has into his content brings him 29 views a month of traffic. Now, understanding the keywords, each of these keywords or phrases are typed in per month. Plumber Fuquay-Varina, North Carolina is typed in 200 times a month. Plumber Fuquay-Varina, 100. Plumbers Fuquay-Varina, 200. So when you start to add these up, you can quickly see the amount of exposure that you're going to get from potential customers and clients, which leads into sales. So when you bring content and backlinks and citations, when you bring all of those together and you have a well-built website, Google will start to reference you and see you as an authority figure in what you're doing and rank you into the top spot onto the first page. Most people don't go past the first page of Google. You come in here, you look for what you want. If you don't see it, well, you're just gone. So it's important that you can understand how that works. I'm not sure if you did or did not, so I figured I would pass this information along to you. Hopefully you get a better understanding of how these things come together and it will quickly escalate the value of your business. With that being said, I really appreciate you taking the time to watch this. If there are any real estate goals or things you'd like to make a change to your business or website, feel free to reach out. We can talk about anything you like. I appreciate it, and thank you.